In this video we are going to explain critical analysis essay writing, and how you can create a template to help you. Keep watching to see more.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.
This video will be split into two parts. In the first part, you will see how to create a critical analysis template. And in part 2, we will break down each part of the requirements needed in a critical analysis essay.
In a critical analysis essay, you systematically evaluate the effectiveness of someone's work, including what it does well and what it doesn't do so well. It can be used to discuss a book, article, or even a film. You must read the piece carefully and may need to look up terms or concepts you are unfamiliar with, or research related reading prior to writing your essay. Introduction. You will need to state the title of the work and include the author's name and the date of publication. Then you will need to outline main ideas of the book and identify the author's thesis. Summary. In this section you will need to briefly outline the main ideas of the book, and should involve who, what, where, when, why and how in this section. You could also choose to discuss the structure, style or point of view. For example, this book is about, the setting is, the main character, the theme is, the author argues that, the research was. The analysis can be made up of several different paragraphs. In this part you will critically state what you like and do not like about the book. Then explain your ideas with specific examples from the book. And then assess whether the author has achieved their intended goal. The analysis may look at whether the work is focused, understandable, persuasive, informative, or meeting the purpose with appropriate conclusions. Conclusion. You will need to summarize your main ideas and, if possible, with new and stronger words. You could include a call to action for your reader, like, "You must read this book because," or "This article is not useful because." A critical analysis essay puts you, the writer, in the position of judging creative work. Generally, these essays cover what you believe the work did well, and what it did wrong, while adding some personal insight, and you will use examples from the piece to support your claims.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning. Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.